Welcome to Gugu Kids Club. Hi kids, are you ready to learn with me? Today we are going on a manners adventure. We will learn about good manners like say please and thank you and discover why they are so important. We will also talk about bad manners and how to avoid them. Get ready to be super polite and have lots of fun. Let's go! Good manners! Good manners are super cool habits. Magic words. Please and thank you. Please is a magic key that opens hearts. Thank you tells people you are kind and grateful. Be nice always. Use sweet words like excuse me and sorry. Nice words make everyone smile. Listening ears on. When someone's talk, look at them and listen. Wait for your turn will come. Respect is power. Be polite to parents, teachers, and friends. Respect makes you a real superstar. Kindness wins. Help others and share your toys. Kind kids make the world happy. Cover up hero. Cough or sneeze into your elbow or tissue. That's how we keep germs away. Knock first. Knock before entering any room. It shows you care about others' space. Helping hands. Open doors, carry things, and help friends. Help me makes you strong inside. Use your happy voice. Talk calmly and sweetly. A soft voice feels nice to everyone. Give some space. Don't stand too close to people. Everyone likes their own little bubble. Be honest always. Tell the truth even when it's hard. Honest kids are trusted kids. Bad manners. Oopsie. Let's avoid these. Forgetting magic words. Please and thank you are special. Don't forget your magic. Interrupting. Talking in between is not polite. Wait patiently. It's your turn soon. Not listening. Ignoring people makes them sad. Show you care by listening. Being selfish. Toys are more fun when shared. Take turn and be fair. Making fun. Laughing at others is not cool. Be a friend, not a bully. Being messy. Toys on the floor make a mess. Clean up and be a tidy star. Being too loud. Shouting hurts ears in quiet places. Use your indoor voice. Not covering your mouth. Sneezing without covering spread germs. Let's be safe and smart. Being bossy. Don't tell everyone what to do. Be kind and play together. Snatching. Grabbing without asking is not fair. Ask nicely and wait for your turn. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.